Hello everyone, on this video let's see how you can convert types between our variables, like if you want to convert an int variable to a real variable or the opposite. So let's go to our user PRD. Here I have two variables, one is called int var and it's an int, a 16-bit integer variable, and here I have a real var. Let's type real. This is a 32-bit variable that supports floating points. So if I have a value on my int var and I want to convert this value to a real variable, so I can use a simple box. So let's grab a box on our toolbox. You can grab a box or a box with enable or enable output. Let's grab a box with enable and enable out. So to assign a conversion type function on MasterTool, you just have to pass the origin type, like I want to convert an int to a real. So I just type int underscore to underscore real. Now I have a conversion function that will convert an int to a real type. So let's copy and paste our int var on the left and our real var, let's copy and paste on the right. You can also grab a box. Let's say I have a situation like this that I don't know the type of the variable that I'm going to convert. So I can just call a box and place to underscore real. That is my target type. This will convert anything from an int, a boolean, a word to a real type. You don't have to specify the type of origin of your variable. So I can place this on an int var. It could be an int, it could be a double word, a boolean. It doesn't matter because this is not specifying the type of the initial variable. Let's create a new variable called real var true. This is going to be real var true. Let's copy and paste. Now let's test this on the simulation mode. Okay, so now if I write anything on my int var, like 32,000, that's a value that's supported by 16-bit variable. Okay, it will convert to real on my int to real function and to real on my to real function. Now the only limitation that is your int variable will only support integer numbers, so these variables will never have floating points because the int var is not supporting any floating points. It can only pass the integer values to our real var and our real var2.